Number operations. Division. 54 divided by 6. 54 is the dividend. 6 is the divisor. 9 is the quotient. And 0 is the remainder. Verification of the answer in a division problem. Add remainder with the product of divisor and quotient. The sum we get should be equal to the dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divide 4573 by 52. Solution. Divisor 52 has 2 digits. So, consider the 2 leftmost digits of the dividend, 45. Since 45 is less than 52, consider 3 digits of dividend, that is 457. Next, consider first digit of divisor, 5, and first digit of dividend, 4. Since 4 is less than 5, so consider 45. 5 goes into 45 9 times. So, 9 may be the leftmost digit of the quotient. Let us check 52 into 9 is equal to 468. But 468 is greater than 457. Consider 8 and check 52 into 8 is equal to 416. But 416 is less than 457. Write 8 as quotient and 416 below the 457. Subtract 457 minus 416 is equal to 41. Write 41 as remainder. Bring down 3 from the dividend 4573 and write it to the right of 41. Consider 413 as dividend now. That is, we have to find 413 divided by 52. Repeat the process till we get a remainder, either 0 or a number which is not divisible by divisor 52. Here we see that dividend is 4573. Divisor is 52. Quotient is 87 and remainder is 49. Let us now verify our result. We will use this relation to check our answer. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, 4573 is equal to 52 into 87 plus 49 is equal to 4573. This means the division that we performed is correct. Division by 10, 100, 1000. Let us learn to divide a number by 10, 100, 1000 with examples one by one. When a 2-digit number is divided by 10, the digit in the tens place makes the quotient and the digit in the ones place becomes the remainder. Observe the example. When 48 is divided by 10, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 8. Division by 100. Divide 527 by 100. Solution. When a 3-digit number is divided by 100, the quotient is the digit at hundreds place. The number formed by tens and ones digit of the dividend is the remainder. When we divide 527 by 100, we get quotient as 5 and remainder as 27. Division by 1000. When a number is divided by 1000, the quotient is the number made of the digits except the digits at ones, tens, and hundreds place. The number formed by these digits is the remainder. Divide 3851 by 1000. Solution. When a 4-digit number is divided by 1000, the quotient is the number made by the thousands place digit. The number formed by hundreds, tens, and ones place digits is the remainder. When we divide 3851 by 1000, we get 3 as the quotient and 851 as remainder. When we divide by 1000, the remainder will have 3 digits. Word problems in division. Rupees 5876 are distributed equally among 26 men. How much money will each person get? Solution. Money received by 26 men is equal to 5876. So, money received by one man is equal to 5876 divided by 26. On dividing 5876 by 26, we get quotient as 226. Therefore, money received by one man is rupees 226.